If you want to add passion with a hint of romance using plants, here are the best vines with heart-shaped leaves you can trail on walls. Strings of hearts. This semi-succulent vine displays heart-like foliage on purple stems, creating a beautiful view in hanging baskets. Bleeding heart vine. This beautiful vine is famous for its white blossoms with red accents in spring that perfectly match its delicate heart-like foliage. Morning glory. Heavenly blue offers large heart-like leaves and trumpet flowers all summer. You can trade it anywhere, and it will come to climb in its glory. Dutchman's pipe. This distinct plant offers heart-like leaves and unusual large blooms. You can also grow it in pots to keep it where the plant gets plenty of sunlight to bloom well. Purple bell vine. This beautiful vine displays dangling, purple and narrow flowers on thread-like stems that pair well with heart-shaped green foliage. Heartleaf philodendron. This evergreen philodendron shows off heart-like leaves while trailing down beautifully from pots. Grow varieties like Micans and Brazil for the best display. Rex begonia vine. The beautiful heart-like leaves of this climber look gorgeous with their frosty silver pattern and red undersides. Keep it in bright but indirect light for the best growth. Betel leaf plant. This fragrant vine belongs to the pepper family and has various culinary and medicinal uses. The heart-like waxy green foliage releases a cool peppery scent. Sweet potato vine. This perennial vine is popular for its white round blooms with a pink-red center and heart-like green foliage. Keep it in plenty of bright light for a faster spread. Found this video helpful? Make sure you like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.